Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. The FET chart is in this local decline. Wave X obviously probably topped there end of September. That's the current idea, that we're in this sort of B wave flat correction. And at least my, let's say, the most bullish scenario I can offer here at the moment. It's worth checking that before looking primarily at more bearish scenarios. So we have a very clear support area that you know about if you watch the previous videos. I have to say, however, at the same time, I have now added another key level to watch. So the overall idea is still unchanged, that we're now in a B wave pullback. This pullback started at the end of September high. I have changed the microstructure from an ABC into a WXY structure. That it just made it necessary due to this move up here. So it looks to me as if we are in wave C of Y. Okay, so that's at least the next scenario I'm checking, and it doesn't change anything, but it allowed me to calculate an ideal target for wave C of Y. And if we take that together and combine that with a target of wave X, Y, so the Y wave target, then we get some Fibonacci confluence around $1.17, $1.18. I already highlighted in the last few videos that the 117 or 118 level is a key level because it's the 100% extension of the initial X wave down. Sorry, the Y, the wave W. Gotta learn the alphabet again. No, the wave W. And the wave Y would typically reach the 100% extension. Now, at least as a first ideal target. Can definitely go lower, and the lower targets or lower prices that could still be reached in the same structure are $1.07, $1.01. Bear in mind there's some structural support there around the $1 mark, so there is some, there's probably going to be some additional support around that $1 level. Psychological support, structural support, Fibonacci support, and then 92 cents. It would be rare that a Y wave goes below the 1.618 extension. Can do, but it wouldn't change anything because it's the local downtrend still, right? It would just extend. But then it might at some point become more likely that we're actually dealing with a still unfolding wave 4. For now, the trend is down and I'm watching for lower prices. There are some support levels, as I said here, at around 125 and $1.01, which could offer additional support in addition to Fibonacci support. But I'd like to see the price still, and that's been my forecast from the last few videos as well, still see the price get to the $1.17 level, just because it's a very likely target, that 100% extension. And now based on the internal structure, we can see this additional support at 118. Yeah, so we have a couple of levels now to watch, which adds some weight to that thesis. And these Fibonacci levels often act as a magnet. Now, when would I change my perspective so that the low is already in? Doesn't seem ready to turn around yet, but if it's turning around and breaks above that October high, it's the October high actually. So we break above this swing high, which I've labeled white wave B at 155. That could indicate we're going up, and the low is already in, but that C wave doesn't look finished. Rather, this downside red engulfing candle there that we see on the 4-hour chart there rather suggests we go down a little bit lower, and that is pretty much in line with the Elliott wave count. Once we get into this blue support zone, we can watch for first impulsive reversal. We just need to see a signal, some kind of a engulfing green candle or a first micro 5-wave pattern to the upside. That's the update about FETCH.AI FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.